Installing the system board. Carefully hold the rear edge of the system board, and while holding the system board at an angle, install the system board. Carefully seat the system board onto the corresponding guide pins and screw holes in the node. Fasten all the system board screws on the front of the node and on the system board. Reinstall the heatsink support brackets on the system board. Reinstall the cable ducts. Reinstall the following components: rear I/O module, power distribution board, power bus bar, PCIe riser assembly, GPU air duct, M.2 drive, micro SD card, firmware and ROT security module, CMOS battery, processor and heatsink, memory module, drive cage assembly, OCP module. Refer to the following videos for the procedures. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.